Hi, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to try 5 different ways of cooking Maggi noodles. I've used the Tastemaker only in one recipe, rest are all new flavors. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before you move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So first I've cooked the noodles in some boiling water for 2 minutes. Then I drained it, washed it in cold water, poured some oil and kept it aside. So let's start with the first recipe. For that I have a pan on fire and I've poured in some oil as well as butter into it. The butter has melted nicely. Now into this goes cubed capsicum as well as onions. We'll just toss them in the butter for a few minutes until the capsicum and the onion are soft. Once that's done, we'll add in some paneer cubes. In here, I have mixed the Maggi Tastemaker with some water and made it into a paste. Let's pour the paste into this. So the masala is cooked for some time. Now we'll add the noodles into this. Mix everything together so that the noodles is nicely coated with the masala. The noodles has been mixed nicely in the masala and it is ready to be served. So for the next option, I've got again oil and butter heating up in the pan. Into this, I'm going to pour this puree. This is tomato and garlic puree together. Let's cook this until it thickens a bit. So while the sauce is thickening, I've added a little bit of ketchup to this. We'll mix everything together and allow it to thicken further. So the sauce is thickened. Now we'll add a little bit of salt to taste. Mix it well. And then add some chopped tomatoes. I've removed the seeds from the tomato and then chopped it. Just mix everything together. Now I'm going to add a little bit of pav bhaji masala and mix that in as well. Let this cook nicely. The sauce is cooked and ready. Now we can add in the cooked noodles and give it a toss in the sauce. I've added a little bit of chopped coriander on top to give it a little bit of color. Once the noodles are soaked in all the sauce, you can serve this. So the next recipe is the spinach one. For that again, I've got some butter and oil heating up in here. Into this goes some chopped garlic and some chopped onions. Cook the onions and garlic until they change color. So the onion and the garlic has cooked well. In here I've got some spinach puree. I've blanched the spinach in hot water and then blend it into a puree. Add that into this and we'll just let the spinach cook and thicken. Into this I'm adding some mixed herbs, some pepper powder and some salt to taste. Mix everything together and allow it to cook for a few more minutes. You can see the sauce is thickened. Now we'll add in the cooked noodles. Give it a toss in the spinach paste. You can adjust the salt and pepper at this stage. Now we'll add in some grated cheese to this. Give it a nice mix. Your spinach Maggi is ready to be served. For the next recipe, in a pan I've heated some oil. Into the oil, I'm going to add some dry red chilies and we'll just cook them for a few minutes. Now in goes chopped garlic. Give it a toss in the oil until the garlic is cooked. Once this is done, in here I've got a paste of red chilli and garlic. What I've done is I've soaked the red chillies and the garlic in some hot water, and then once it's softened, I've made a paste out of it. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of the paste. You can adjust this according to your spice levels. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of vinegar into this. Add a little salt to taste. Mix everything together. I've added a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Mix everything well. Everything's been cooked well. Now we'll add in the cooked noodles to this. Toss it nicely in the paste. The noodles has been tossed nicely in the sauce. You can add a little bit of spring onion greens on top if you have them, and then serve them hot. So let's start with the last recipe. For that, I have a pan in here in which I have some butter heating up. In here I've got a mixture of egg and milk which I've beaten nicely. Keep the flame on low and pour the egg mixture into the pan. Now we'll slowly start mixing it so that it starts to scramble. Make sure the fire is on low. Now we'll add salt and some pepper. Mix it again. Now add the cooked noodles. Mix everything together so that the eggy mixture coats the noodles. Let the eggs cook for a few more seconds. Once the egg is nicely cooked, you can add in some grated cheese. Mix that in as well. Switch off the fire and add in some chopped coriander. Mix everything together and the eggy noodles is ready. So the 5 different flavors of Maggi are ready. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. You can add your own choice of vegetables into these dishes and make it more interesting. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.